Hey guys, so we got the short box frame on the hoist and we're going to start putting some stuff in. I think we're probably going to be taking this apart a couple times, I would imagine, but we got the Dana 80 disc brake that we're putting in the back, and then we got a Dana 60 out of a 2000, I think it was. So it's got the newer style brakes and stuff on it, but we're just going to get this stuff in here so it makes it into a roller. That way if I have to move it in and out, that's handy. And we are going to, I'm just going to set you guys up into time lapse now. Just so you don't have to watch us fiddle around with stuff. If there's any weird stuff that we run into, I'll stop and we'll video it and then we'll go back to time lapse again. But anyways, here we go. Hey guys, so we're back at this thing. You guys seen in the time lapse. So we got the U-bolts just on here. They're just snug. They're not tight because I have to find the plates for the Dana 80. I couldn't find the upper plates. We got the diff, front diff sitting in it. So none of this is probably going to stay here. These are the diffs that are going to be in this, but not what's going to stay here per se. And then I got the third gen track bar and mount that we're going to put in. So we're going to do a bunch of stuff on this week, but that was it for today. So I was just working on the head a little bit. Got a couple hours worth of work done on the head, a couple hours worth of work done on the chassis, but it's coming along. Probably, well, this week we'll have some parts coming in, and then I'll probably get the rear diff solid mounted and start working on the front end as soon as I get the control arm bolts and all that stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification.